and see how fast our guy can make some Passion Fruit Martinis. Tomorrowland is one of the world's biggest EDM festivals with a yearly attendance of over 400,000 guests. That means a lot of dancing and a lot of drinks. And by a lot, I mean millions of drinks over the course of 6 festival days. Of course, I'm here to give you a peek behind the scenes and how a bar like this works.
In the beginning, it's always like a struggle.
And we're gonna meet some of the people behind the bar.
It's kind of once in a lifetime experience.
I'm AJ. This is Absolut Drinks with AJ at Tomorrowland. And today, you're gonna learn how to make 1 million martinis. Let's get into it. It's 10 o'clock, let's start.
Keep the fridges full. If someone spills something, just clean it up. The plastic in the plastic bags. My name is Numi and I work as a bar manager at Tomorrowland. Today I think it's gonna be a lot busier than yesterday. It's sold out, so we're expecting a lot of customers. It's all fun in the bar. Keep on dancing and have energy. That's the most important thing for me. So and good drinks, yeah.
My name is Flo and my role here is to make cocktails. This festival is a very cool, it's kind of once in a lifetime experience. Cocktails, it takes time, but a real challenge, especially in a festival like here when it's so big, a lot of people. The challenge is to keep your bar clean and everything in stock. And especially when you don't have ice anymore, then you cannot make cocktails. So ice is the key element in making cocktails.
We have lots of ice because that's important that it's very cold. Behind we also have like a lot of bottles and we can also order more at any moment. That's the most important thing. Never run out of the drinks. So now we're good to go. And high five! Good job. Go guys! I think the music is very good at Tomorrowland, but also just the people, their costumes, and everybody is happy, and we're also happy to help you, and they're like also happy to be here, and the energy and the happiness, almost like a dream.
To make customers happy, especially on a festival, they are very hyped. They come here with a story or with something to tell. And you see it in their eyes. So the first thing I ask to a customer is, what do you like about the festival? And then I take the order. In
the beginning, it's always like a struggle to have everything like super fast. The stress I'm used to, because this is my 6th year at Tomorrowland. And if the people in my bar have stress, then I'm like dancing in front of them and I'm like, no stress. When you have experience behind a bar, the stress is something that you can control. Even when you see a lot of people are waiting for your cocktails, it's kind of your job, so you make sure that's okay.
Tomorrowland is getting filled with people and the hype is real, guys. So we're gonna go and see how fast our guy can make some Passion Fruit Martinis. Not 1, but 8.
To make a Passion Fruit Martini, you take 2 shakers, you fill it up with ice and then vodka, passion fruit juice, and then a little bit of vanilla syrup, lime juice, and shake it hard so you have a very nice foam layer on the top, and then you strain it in a glass with ice cubes, and then on top of it a half passion fruit, and that's it.
At 30 seconds per drink, it would take one bartender a full year of non-stop mixing to make 1 million Passion Fruit Martinis. Thanks to all the bartenders and the staff at Tomorrowland for all the hard work, good times and delicious drinks.
When it's done, I'm like, woo! It's done for today. We can go to sleep. 5 days more to go.
You've seen it with your own eyes. This is how you make 1 million martinis at Tomorrowland. So try to make a batch at home for a group of friends, take a picture and hashtag it Absolut Drinks. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video so I can go to more music festivals like Tomorrowland. AJ's out.